Welcome to a brand new, modern and elegant 5-bedroom house and lot for sale here in BF Homes, Paranaque City. I'm Jake Bautista from Metroguide Realty and join us as we tour this elegant home. This property has a total floor area of approximately 350 square meters on a 280 square meter lot. It's also located in a peaceful community with fast access towards Aguirre Avenue and Sukat Road leading to Skyway. Let's go! It has warm lighting, showcasing your carport area for 3 vehicles. This property has 2 staff rooms, one on this side and one that can be accessed through this staircase area, and both have their own bathrooms. And now let's head on over towards your main entry. In addition, upon entering the home, to your right you have a pocket garden which is landscape leading to the side of the house, and here we are at your elevated main entry. Now welcome to your beautiful home. Upon entering the home, you have a clean aesthetic with a white wall all the way across the hallway. You can imagine having some family portraits here upon entering the home. And here, immediately to your right, upon entering, you have your first room. What's great about this property is that all 5 rooms already have Narra parquet flooring. In addition, this room has access towards a bathroom space. The bathrooms have hotel-like lighting, bravette fixtures, and this also doubles as your powder room. So from the bedroom, you have another door here leading out to the hallway space, and here you have your grand living space. With a high ceiling, cove lighting, windows all the way to the second level of the property with a great view of your staircase. You have this space where you can have your living area, you can have your television set on this side or potentially here on the other side, and you have so much light and ventilation as well. And on this side you have your dining area. Your dining area can be accessed through 2 points. You have a sliding door on 2 sides of the room leading out towards a tiled patio space. Let's take a quick look. Now this tiled space wraps around the corner of the house, and you can maximize this as an al fresco outdoor dining or gathering space. You can imagine hosting parties and gatherings here, and you can walk all around the house from both sides. Let's head on in. You also have screens here in case you just want to have the natural air flow into the property while keeping the insects and mosquitoes out. And then you have Daikin split type inverter air conditioning units already for the bedrooms and here in the amenity spaces. And here you have your modern kitchen with that polished aesthetic with the white and gray tones, cove lighting, and you also have an Elba branded range hood as well as an induction cooktop already. And I love the size of the island countertop, excellent for preparing meals, and you can imagine hosting get-togethers and having such a great view of the amenity spaces. You can also have your refrigerator on this side, and on top of all of this, you have an auxiliary space. Now you know that this property is well thought out because on top of the main show kitchen, you have another area right here where you have a wash area, and at the back of the house, you can have your laundry space as well. This property also has a water tank as well. And on top of that, you have a washer and dryer already included with this property. And now we're back here in your main amenity space. Now let's head on up towards the second level where you have your second, third, fourth, and fifth rooms. Let's go. I love how easy it is to climb the steps, and check out this vantage point as you go up and down the stairs. You can really appreciate the size of the space. You have that Narra parquet flooring as well for the hallway, and check out how wide this hallway is. And you can potentially have a light fixture here. Of course, that would already be your personal preference after purchasing the home. And now let's take a look at your primary bedroom. Your master bedroom is quite spacious. It's a corner room. It's facing the front of the house. There's a lovely sunset right now as we're filming this. And you can potentially have your television set on this side. And of course, you can have some curtains here as well. And you can fit very easily a king-sized bed with space left over for bedside tables as well. And you have a spacious balcony at the front of the house. So if you just want to get some fresh air from your primary bedroom, you can have a table, a couple of chairs here, just as a nice addition to the primary room. Let's head back in. And here we are at your master walk-in closet and bathroom. Now your master walk-in and bathroom and bedroom span the entire front of the property. So you can see how spacious it is. You have plenty of storage. And once again, the aesthetic is consistent throughout the property from the ground floor all the way here. Of course, you have a much more refined feel for your primary bathroom with the tiles used. You also have your dual vanity sink space, your shower area, as well as a freestanding bathtub. Now, this property is located in a gated village that's near Aguirre Avenue. So that gives you access to multiple points in the metro. You have access from this area in BF Homes towards Sukat Road, towards the airport, towards Skyway, or even Alabang or Las Piñas. So it's a centrally located community here in the south, and you have so many commercial areas as well. Those are things that you have to take into consideration while you're choosing a home as well, meaning its proximity to schools, grocery stores, hospitals, and malls as well. Now, this is the third room in the property. You see that it already has built-in cabinetry, and I want to point out the ceiling height for this property. I'm about 5'10", so you can see the ceiling height of this room is quite considerable. And on this side, you have your ensuite bathroom. This room has additional storage as well beside the sink area. And let us know through the comments down below which part of this house you like the most. And on this side, you have your fourth room. I love how while we're filming this video, the sun is setting very slowly, but you can see how elegant the lighting is for this property. This is a corner room. Once again, with storage built in, you can have your television set right here. The space is large enough to have even a queen-sized bed. And on this side, you have your ensuite bathroom. And I want to point out the size of the mirror that they used here, which maximizes the feel of the size of the space. And then, of course, right here, you have your fifth room. Once again, with a picture window on this side, Daikin inverter split type air conditioning unit included, and of course, an ensuite bathroom. And I love the subtle interior design touches such as the indirect lighting behind the mirror and the lighting here in these display ledges. So just nice touches as well. I also want to point out how warm the house feels because of the Narra flooring. The warm light also complements it so well. And you can just imagine having furniture here already. This would complement either traditional or even modern furniture. Now let's cap off the tour in the main amenity space. Let's go. Thank you for joining us in this tour. If you're looking for a spacious, open-planned, 5-bedroom house and lot for sale in a secure and peaceful community here in the south area of Metro Manila in BF Homes, Paranaque City, then this property might be for you. If you want to know more about this property, you can contact us through our details in the description below. You can also send us a message through Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And you can also send us a message at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. If you have a property you'd like to feature to our channel, you can also send us a message. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.